Hey guys, we're going to take some notes today in math over some 2-digit by 2-digit, and these will be area models. These are my favorite. I think they're so much fun. So yesterday you did some 2 by 1 digit and some 3 by 1 digit. You might have done 4 by 1 digit. I don't remember. I had you do that many. Let me see. I think I did. Yeah, we did some 4 by 1 digit too. And if you did okay on those, you're going to do fine on these, I promise. So let's maybe do 3 examples together. All right, so we'll get a little bit harder every time just on the numbers you're multiplying. All right, so let's start with like 15 times 13. All right. So you're going to break them apart into expanded form still. So you're going to have the 10 plus 5. And then on this one, you're going to do 10 plus 3. Okay, if it helps you to do that, then do that first. Okay, so then we're going to put it into a rectangle. So you're going to write 10 plus 5 like that. Split it where you have your plus sign. And then you write 10 plus 3 over here. And again, you got a plus sign, so you're going to split it going this way. So this time you have 4 boxes like this instead of just straight across your page. Okay, but it's the same thing. You're going to bring the 10 down and write 10 and 10 goes all the way down the elevator. Okay, the 5 goes all the way down the elevator. This 10 is still going to slide across. So times 10 times 10. Now this 3 slides across these 2 boxes. Times 3 and times 3. And when you multiply all 4 of these, you'll get your partial products. So my basic fact would be 1 times 1, which is 1, and then 1, 2 zeros, move them down. My basic fact here is 5 times 1, which is 5, 1 0, move it down. 1 times 3, which is 3, 1 0, move it down. 5 times 3, 15. So I'm going to take 100, 50, 30, and 15, add them up. 9 and 1. And that is my answer. 195 is my product. Okay, so very, very similar to what you were doing yesterday. You just have an extra number down here. Okay, so let's do one that has a little bit harder numbers. So let's do 35 times 54. All right. Okay, so I have 30 plus 5, split it at the plus sign, 50 plus 4, split it across at that plus sign. Okay, so my 30 goes down on the elevator, 5 goes down the elevator, 50 is going to slide across, okay, 4 is going to slide across. All right. So my basic fact in this one is 5 times 3, which gives me 15. And then I have 1, 2 zeros. 5 times 5 is 25. 1 0. 3 times 4 is 12 with 1 0. And 5 times 4 is 20. And then I can take all of these and add them up. If I'm moving too fast, then pause your video to get it written. Okay, so I've got zeros, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then what? 1,890. The most common mistake I usually see in these are in the addition because we're not lining them up correctly. So be careful when you're lining up your numbers and be careful if you're adding. It would be sad to do all this really good work and then add it wrong. Okay, let's do one more that has some bigger numbers. So example 3. Let's do 98 times 76. Okay, so all harder digits to multiply, but still it's the same process, guys. Okay, so I've got 90 plus 8, 70 plus 6. All right. 90 and 90, 8 and 8. Okay, you're just moving those down. Now your 70 and your 6 will slide across. So 70, 70, 6, and 6. Now you're ready to multiply. Alright, so 9 times 7, that is 63. And then you have 2 zeros. If you don't know 9 times 7, I'd better see you drawing a T-chart, okay? We've been working on those. 8 times 7 is 56, and then 1 0. Same thing. If you don't know 8 times 7, draw yourself a T-chart. Alright. 9 times 6 is 54, and then 1 0. 8 times 6 is 48. Okay, so now you're going to take all your partial products and add them up. That's 8. Let's see, 10, 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7,448. Big one. Alrighty. Oh, there's my phone. Well, good job. Make sure you get your notes taken and take a picture for me.